it's a game. The game inside the game. And we drive the price up. But what we're really doing is giving our seller more money, and our 50-50 split gets bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger. That's how
Got it.
So Anthony, how do we adjust that strategy now that buyers aren't going over asking and properties are sitting on the market?
That's not happening. Who's saying that? That's not happening where I'm at. Who's saying that?
That's Lauren.
Everybody needs to mute.
Wait. I want to be clear. Are you saying that houses are sitting on the market and buyers are not paying over asking?
Yeah, that's what I'm starting to see in the last 3 weeks.
Okay. So I'll give you one thing. I just talked to a lady yesterday from New York. She's paying $20,000 over asking. Just so you know, she stayed in town a couple extra days for us to get her pre-approved, and she wants to pay $20,000 over asking. But anyway, let's just say that happens. So all we do is go back to the old market that we were in before. See, what this is the number one problem you guys are making with listings. When you get the home, as soon as you get the listing on Monday, you allow people to see it on a Monday. And then throughout the week, they don't know if anybody's looking at your property. So what we do that's different, you should write this down. Even I don't care what day we list it on. We try to list it on a Tuesday. We block every single showing until Saturday at 2 to 3 or Sunday from 3 to 4. And they go, it's all blocked out. Can I get in there? No, my seller's fixing up the house. And we force everybody to get to the house at the one time. This is a strategy. And all these people show up. Let's just say, even if it's 5 people, even though it's normally around 30 or more, 5 people. They see all these other people that want this house, and it's only open we only do a 1 hour open house. 1 hour. Now I know 5 hours. Ain't nobody had time for that. We're going to the bar on Saturday and smoke cigars. We ain't got time for that. Okay? Everybody shows up from 2 to 3 on a Saturday or 3 to 4 on a Sunday. They go, man, all these people looking at this house, because they don't know if the buyers don't know if people have been seeing it during the week, even though we don't let anybody. So that's how we've been doing this for decades. Decades we've been doing this for. So that's a strategy where if you have a listing, don't drip and let people see your house Monday, 2 people, Tuesday, 3. Don't do that. You're hurting yourself and your buyer. Block all showings on FMLS and MLS and showing time, and only have it open a 1 hour open house Saturday 2 to 3 or Sunday 3 to 4, and market the hell out of it, getting every agent you know there and doing open houses on all the different websites and drive people there. And when they get there, they go, oh my God, all the people here. And then they'll pay over asking and the house won't sell on the market. Unless it's just a crack house or something, right?
Yeah, people will, be asking right then and there, what do I have to do? What do I have to get this? Because I see these other 10 people, and usually people are talking. They're like, oh, I really like the house. And other people are hearing what other.
Go to my YouTube page and type in Epic Open House System. You go to my YouTube page and type that in, and you'll see. I gotta make sure we're on time. 10:06. Okay, yeah, we good. We're gonna finish at 11. Why is it slowing down? But that's how you sell houses. Sorry, guys. That's how you sell houses. Your seller's like, well, where's everybody at? Don't worry, ma'am. Please don't worry. There's our Epic Open House System 2-minute video. This is pre-COVID.
And here's how you find properties for 50 cents on the dollar, even in this hot market. All you have to do.
Nobody knows who to sell, even the seller.
Snellville, if you're watching this video and Facebook Live, what you should do is come on out. And if you're a buyer, remember, when you buy a home using the Anthony Thornton real estate team, if you don't like it in the first 2 years, we'll just buy it back from you, sell it for free. And if you're a seller, you wait to open this door. If you want an epic open house like this at your house, you should definitely give us a call at 470-326-7074. And remember, we will sell your home at your price for the most amount of money, or we'll just stroke a check for it. All right, stay tuned.
Pre-COVID, neighbors calling the police on us, trying to figure out why all these people are looking at a house. This will be this how your listings will look. You got people coming from all the way down the street, coming to look at these homes.